Rental income strategies, generating wealth through property rentals. Welcome to Income Ideas Insider, your go-to source for exclusive strategies to boost your income and achieve financial success. Investing in rental properties can be a lucrative strategy for building wealth over time. By generating passive income through rent payments, investors can steadily grow their portfolio and increase their net worth. However, success in this venture requires careful planning, strategic decision-making, and a deep understanding of the real estate market. In this guide, we will explore 10 rental income strategies that can help investors maximize their returns and achieve long-term financial goals. Before we begin, make sure to smash that like button and hit the subscribe for more exciting content. Number 10. Choose the right location. One of the most critical factors in rental property investment is selecting the right location. A desirable location can attract high-quality tenants and command higher rental rates, resulting in better cash flow and property appreciation. When choosing a location, consider factors such as proximity to amenities, job opportunities, schools, and transportation hubs. Conduct thorough research to identify areas with strong rental demand and potential for future growth. Number 9. Understand market trends. Success in the rental market hinges on staying informed of current trends and dynamics. Investors must monitor factors like vacancy rates, rental prices, economic indicators, and demographic shifts to spot opportunities and manage risks effectively. Staying updated on local market conditions is crucial, allowing investors to adapt their strategies to capitalize on emerging trends and optimize returns. By remaining vigilant and responsive to market fluctuations, investors can position themselves for long-term success in rental property investment. Number 8. Conduct thorough due diligence. Before purchasing a rental property, conduct comprehensive due diligence to assess its financial viability and potential for profitability. Evaluate the property's condition, rental history, expenses, and future maintenance needs. Consider hiring a professional inspector to identify any structural issues or hidden defects that could impact your investment. Thorough due diligence helps mitigate risks and ensures that you make informed investment decisions. Number 7. Calculate cash flow accurately. Cash flow is the lifeblood of rental property investment, so it's crucial to accurately calculate your potential cash flow before making a purchase. Consider all income sources, such as rental income, and deduct expenses such as mortgage payments, property taxes, insurance, maintenance costs, and vacancies. Use conservative estimates and factor in contingencies to ensure that your cash flow remains positive even in adverse scenarios. Number 6. Implement efficient property management. Efficient property management is essential for maximizing rental income and maintaining the value of your investment. Consider hiring a professional property management company to handle day-to-day operations such as tenant screening, rent collection, maintenance, and repairs. A competent property manager can help minimize vacancies, address tenant issues promptly, and ensure that your property remains well-maintained, enhancing its long-term profitability. Number 5. Invest in value-add opportunities. Seeking value-add opportunities is paramount to enhancing rental income and property value. Renovations, upgrades, and improvements are key strategies to attract premium tenants and justify increased rental rates. Emphasize cost-effective enhancements like kitchen remodels, bathroom renovations, and energy-efficient features. These improvements not only elevate the property's appeal, but also yield favorable returns on investment. Additionally, consider adding amenities tailored to your target market's preferences, further enhancing the property's desirability. By strategically investing in upgrades, landlords can unlock the full potential of their properties, ultimately maximizing rental income and long-term value. Number 4. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is key to reducing risk and maximizing returns in rental property investment. Consider diversifying your portfolio by investing in different types of properties. Example: single-family homes, multifamily units, commercial properties, and across different geographic locations. This helps spread risk and ensures that your investment portfolio remains resilient to market fluctuations and localized economic downturns. Number 3. Leverage financing wisely. Using leverage, such as mortgage financing, can amplify returns and accelerate wealth accumulation in rental property investment. However, it's essential to use leverage wisely and avoid overextending yourself financially. Choose financing options with favorable terms and low interest rates, and maintain a healthy debt-to-equity ratio to mitigate risk. Consider consulting with a financial advisor to develop a prudent financing strategy that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Number 2. Stay compliant with regulations. Rental property investment is subject to various laws, regulations, and landlord-tenant ordinances that govern landlord responsibilities, tenant rights, fair housing practices, and property maintenance standards. Stay informed about local, state, and federal regulations governing rental properties and ensure that you remain compliant at all times. Failure to adhere to legal requirements can result in fines, lawsuits, or damage to your reputation as a landlord. Number 1. Continuously monitor and adapt. The rental market is dynamic and ever-changing, so it's crucial to continuously monitor market conditions, tenant preferences, and regulatory changes. Stay proactive and adaptable, and be willing to adjust your investment strategy in response to evolving circumstances. Regularly review your portfolio's performance, reassess your goals, and make strategic adjustments to optimize returns and achieve long-term success in rental property investment. Rental property investment offers a pathway to generating wealth and achieving financial independence through passive income streams. By implementing these 10 rental income strategies and staying committed to sound investment principles, investors can build a robust portfolio of income-generating properties that provide long-term financial security and prosperity. Remember to approach rental property investment with diligence, patience, and a long-term perspective to reap the rewards of this rewarding investment strategy. If you find our videos helpful, don't forget to share, subscribe, and hit the like button to support our channel.